Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Shecurve.com, an online shop peddling the usual suspects: bras, shapewear, and leggings. They claim to focus on comfort and body shaping at budget prices, which is usually corporate speak for, "We hope this fits," because returning it will be a nightmare. It's designed for the fashion-forward woman who wants to look trendy without the minor inconvenience of having money left in her bank account. But the big question remains: is Shecurve actually legit, or just another well-dressed internet mirage? Let's find out together. Starting with the positives, they actually have a massive social media presence, boasting around 275,000 followers on Facebook alone. Apparently, 250,000 people enjoy looking at spandex on their feed, which does add a layer of transparency to the brand. Their domain has been active since 2023, making it over 2 years old, an absolute eternity in the world of here today, gone tomorrow scam sites. They even provide a phone number, physical address, and live chat, which is a nice touch for a company that actually wants you to think they'll answer your calls. Now, let's talk about the reviews, where the plot thickens faster than a cheap waist trainer. On their own website, the feedback is suspiciously perfect and glowing. Shocker, right? However, venture out into the cold, hard world of external platforms, and you'll find a mediocre 3.2-star rating across thousands of reviews. Over on Reddit, the discussions are even more colorful, with users sharing horror stories about the return policy from hell. It's a bold strategy to tell customers not to return items and then deny them a refund anyway. But hey, I'm just the messenger. Most of the vitriol isn't even about the fabric quality. It's about the customer service gymnastics. We're talking about high shipping costs to overseas addresses and communication so slow, it makes snail mail look like fiber optic internet. If you enjoy the thrill of paying more to ship a return than the item is actually worth, you found your paradise. Based on the evidence, Shecurve isn't an outright scam, but it's definitely sporting some bright red flags. Our final verdict? Proceed with extreme caution. While they have the social media clout and a functional website, the refund process is a total minefield. If you're planning to shop here, read the fine print like your bank account depends on it, and be prepared for some serious challenges if that sports bra doesn't spark joy. That's it for today's review. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that tell it like it is.